I am Tia James and I am from the CDT Dance Ensemble class. Dance Ensemble used the concept of an assembly line for the springboard for our movement. An assembly line is a process in which a product is moved from one workstation to the next workstation until a final product is produced. Dance Ensemble looked at images of the assembly line as well as videos of them working to piece together the images of an assembly line using spatial awareness with each other to come up with our final product.